Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The SIM card not inserted error denotes that your device is unable to recognize or detect the SIM card. It can be due to a software glitch, or it could be that the SIM card or SIM card slot is damaged. Before you get a new SIM card from your carrier, you can try these subsequent workarounds to fix the error on your end.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
This problem is caused by your SIM card not placed properly, hence, the mobile not available on network error may also occur. To fix this issue, navigate to Settings. While your phone is on, remove then insert the SIM card 3 times.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
While the former requires your account to have balance in case of prepaid, the latter does not. However, either happening shows your SIM is active. You can also use SSD to check. In case of idea, dial *121# and press call button. Response will show SIM expiry date.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.